Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to add product reviews to Shopify homepage. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So to begin, simply head over to your online store and click on this eye icon. Then we need to click on customize. So basically we are on to our platform, but we need to simply edit that. So click on this online store and click on this checkout option. You can see currently we do not have any reviews onto our home page. So to do that, simply head over to your customize section and we should probably onto our web builder tool. So to incorporate your reviews, you can simply add a section in here and you have various options in here: featured collection, products, and whatever review you would like to add onto your home page. You can do that by simply adding different sections from this area. Like for example, if I add an image with text, or maybe I can add a slideshow related to my reviews. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys, and I hope you got to learn that and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.